Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add money to Starling bank account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC. Search for Starling bank. After that, enter your account number and phone number to sign into your account. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. To make a deposit, just take your cash to the counter, insert your debit card into the pin pad machine at the counter, confirm the amount. The cash will appear in your account instantly. Cash deposit limits apply to all Starling accounts. Please message up in-app to find out your limits. If you are depositing more than £2,000, please first check with us if this is within your limit, and check with the post office branch that they can accept this amount. If you are depositing coins, any denominations below £1 coins must be in full bags, please. As soon as the money clears, usually within minutes, you will receive an instant notification on your mobile. To use this service, you will need to be using one of our portrait debit cards. If you have one of our older cards, please order a card replacement in app by going over to the card screen and tapping cancel and replace card. And that's how you can add money to your Starling bank account. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.